How to open Community Chest Monopoly Go. In order to open Community Chest on Monopoly Go, you just have to follow the steps. So what you need to do is here, first thing first, you wanna now to open a community chest in Monopoly Go, you simply need to land on a community chest space on a board. Once you land, the game will automatically open the chest and present you with the mini game and other events as well. So here what you have to do is to open a community chest, you can use your dice to roll and move your token around the Monopoly Go board, and if you land on community chest piece, the chest will automatically open. And the next thing you want to do is the game will then display a mini game or other event where you can earn rewards as well. After you go ahead and click on a mini game or event, participate and claim your rewards as well. This is how you could go ahead and open the community chest Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.